the move towards a more affiliate-oriented MLM play seems to be taking off and seems to be gaining a lot of traction out there. And the traditional forms of doing MLM seem to be much less prevalent. I mean, you've got a prime example. Your Rapid Funnel product, absolutely awesome product. But a large chunk of what happens there is I send out my link. They click on a link, they register, they sign up, they buy the product, they do whatever. My connection and contact with them is just a case of continuing to send out the link and continuing to have them engage with me until such time as they buy. The company creates the links and creates the advertising, creates the marketing material. I have my Rapid Funnel app on my cell phone, and I'm just pushing this information out. I can push out 100 leads a day if I want to. I can push advertising and marketing to Facebook or Twitter or to Instagram or to whatever. I can be pushing this information out there and reaching my entire extended network. So you got 100,000 people who each connecting with 1,000 people every month, and suddenly you've got millions and millions and millions of people that you're connecting with. Where the affiliate marketing goes and where the MLM goes, I am seeing that because of these strategies, because of people like you with the Rapid Funnel app, I'm seeing the MLM companies veering towards a traditional affiliate style marketing, but using all the power of the compensation plan to drive the affiliates.